The following is a class on Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 10, Text number 14, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on 27th June, 1973 in Mayapur.
Ladies, generally, they are very much apt to shed tears in ecstatic moment. So, Krishna was going from Hastinapur, and all of them, all the Pandavas, not only ladies, the men also, they are very, very much affected. We have already discussed in the previous verses. Especially the ladies, they could not check their tears forcibly coming out. But at the same time, they were thinking that Krishna is going, everything must be auspicious. There may not be something inauspicious. So, they were in a very perplexed position. Tears were coming by force, and they wanted to check it so that there may not be any inauspicity in the matter of Krishna's departure. This is the picture. So, these are all symptoms of love for Krishna. That is the highest perfection of life. To shed tears for Krishna. Jugaitam nimishena chakshusha pravishaitam. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught us this method of worship in separation. Vipralambha seva. Not that, I have seen yesterday, last night, I have seen Krishna, he was snatching my cloth. These are sahajas. Actually, our worship should be in separation. The Goswamis also taught us like that. He Radhi Brajadevi Ki Chalalite. He Krishna Kutaha. They in the Vrindavan remain authorized persons. They are also searching after Krishna. They never said that we have got Krishna. Never said. He Radhe Brajadevi Ki Chalalite. He Nanda Suna Kutaha. Sri Govardhana Padapatale. Kalindi Bane Kutaha. Ghosantaviti Khedai Mahabhivalo. Simply Khedai Mahabhivalo. They were lamenting in separation. Bande Rupa Sanatanam Raghujugo Sri Jiva Gopal. So this is the process of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's verse. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was falling down on the water. I could not see Krishna. When he was Grihastha, he was simply consulting with mother. Mother, I could not realize Krishna. What shall I do? Where shall I go? Mother said, my dear son, why you are impatient? Everything will be all right in due course. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving indication that I must leave home. Mother was also understanding that this boy wants to leave us. That was another perplexed position. So, that is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's teaching. Jugaitam nimishena chapsusha pravishaitam. Sunnaitam jagat sarvam govinda virahena me. Govinda Birahena, in separation from Govinda, I am thinking one moment as 12 years. Some of you or all of us have got this experience. If we want something very, very eagerly, then every moment becomes a long time. Oh, it is not yet received, it is not yet received. It is not yet done. Juga idang nimishe. Nimish, a moment. A twinkling of an eye, that is called nimish. That appears to be 12 years. The gopis could not tolerate even twinkling of eyes. They were condemning the Creator. This Creator does not know the art of creating. Why He has created this twinkling of eyes so that it is disturbing us from seeing Krishna. Or seeing Krishna and the twinkling of eyes, that is natural. So the gopis did not like it. So why He has created this? He does not know the art of creation. This is love. Juga, they say. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu tested the gopis' feeling. Sri Chaitanya prakata madhuna taddayam chaikamaptam. Radha Krishna pranaya vikiti alladini shakti. Krishna, when he wants to enjoy, he is absolute, supreme person, spirit, absolute, the supreme spirit. So, for spiritual enjoyment in this material world, great saintly persons, sages, they give up all material enjoyment just to taste what is spiritual enjoyment, spiritual life, Brahmanubhuti. They give up everything. Tapasa brahmacharya, by austerity, brahmacharya, jamena, niyamena, tyagena, satta sauchabhyam. So many processes they adopt for tasting a little Brahmanubhuti. Ithang Brahmanus, Brahma Sukhanubhutya, Dasangatanang Paradaivati. So Sukadeva Goswami said that here the Krishna here is playing with the cowherd's boys. Who is he? Ithang Satang Brahmanus Brahma Sukhanubhutya. The great sages, saintly person who are trying to test the spiritual realization. That is here. He is playing as cowherd boy. Dasangatanang paradayavate. And those are devotees. For them, he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Maya sitanang naradar. And those who are Maya sita, they are thinking this Krishna is ordinary human child. Sadhang vijarahu kritapunna punya. So, with this boy, transcendental Krishna, cowherd boy, the other boys who are playing, they are not ordinary men. Kritapunna punya. They accumulated pious activities life after life for many, many thousands and millions of lives. Now they have got the opportunity to play with Krishna. So this Krishna consciousness movement is very serious and important. Here are the signs how they love Krishna. One side that they cannot check the tears coming out. Krishna is going out. Another side, oh, if I say tears, then there may be inauspicity. How much perplexity is. two sides, dilemma between the horns of Srila and Charybdis. That is the position. The lover, intense love creates such situation. As Chaitanya Mahaprabhu executed. Juga-itam nimisina, chakshusha pravihar, sunnayitam jagat. Govinda virahina. Without seeing Govinda, the whole world is vacant. This is love. He let me try to become Krishna conscious. If it is done, all right. If it is not done, I shall remain in my position. What is the loss? Not like that. One must be so eager that without Krishna consciousness, one should become mad. One should become mad. That is Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's teaching, separation, not direct contact. Direct contact is not possible. Neither that is the way of worshipping by the method of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That is Sahajava. I am talking with Krishna. Krishna is snatching my cloth. There is a book one lady has written, his experience, that Krishna comes, he talks with her and snatches her cloth. She has written openly. But this is not Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's way. There is one gentleman, Mr. Rai, in Pune, and she has got also a woman. Also, everyone must have a woman. Parakya. This is Sahajava. This is Sahajava. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu never said, this is the Parakya Ras. One should have one woman. No. He observed complete sannyas life. Rather, there was very, very severe, rigid restriction about all that. So now this Sahajya is there going on in the name of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Aul Baul Katha Bhajan Nana Dvarveshai, Sahajya Sakhi like that. So they are Apasampradaya. Real Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Sampradaya is that he should be feeling like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, separation, not Sambho, Vipralamba. Vipralamba Shiva. Oh, I am so wretched. I could not serve Krishna. How I can see Krishna? It is not possible. In this way, that is the teaching of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But even though I do not see it, neither it is possible for me to see it. Because what I am? I am an insignificant person. Why Krishna come and see me? This is right. Why shall I aspire after seeing Krishna? What qualification I have got? This is Bhagavan. This is Bhagavan. Why should I be proud that now I shall see Krishna? What I am? And that is the teaching of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Aslishya vapadartang pinastamam varmahatang karutuba adarsana. Adarsana. Without giving me audience, you kill me, you break my heart. Still you are my Lord, you are my worshipful Lord. Nobody else. This is love. This is love. Ashen Krishna golai diva, nale bheje khabo. Not like that. Krishna may not come. I may not see Krishna for thousands and thousands of lives. I may rot in the hellish condition of life for many, many births. That doesn't matter. Still I cannot give up Krishna consciousness. This is require. I may be sent to hell, heaven, it doesn't matter. What qualification I have got that I want to see back to home, back to Godhead? It is not so easy thing. So why should I be sorry for that? I should be happy even in the hell simply by thinking of Krishna. That is what. That is what. That is Krishna consciousness. So here is the example. Tears by force of coming out. Krishna is going on. At the same time, they want to check. There may not be any inauspicity for Krishna. They think of Krishna, for Krishna, not for personal self. Oh, I am now crying. I have become very much fortunate. I am crying for Krishna. No. My crying will create inauspicity to Krishna. I must take it. This is Krishna. Thank you very much.